Yes, I know, don't yell at me. I poured way too fast and I'm getting a lot of bubbles in this cast. But there's a secret weapon here. I'm using the Resin Epoxy Deep Pour X, which is a super thin viscosity. So check out all the bubbles rising up to the top right in front of your eyes. It's kind of like magic. A little bit of heat and boom, it's gone. Big molds. They just don't want to budge and it's really hard to take out. So once you loosen up your mold from your cast, all you do is you put in a little bit of soapy water inside your cast and pop, it comes right out. So look at it here. Slip, 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 and boom, that easy. Just run your cast under water, give it a little wipe, and you have a perfect cast.